Hey everyone, it's Casey here. You know that feeling, right? That pre-trip buzz when you're about to head out on an adventure? It's electric. But then comes the packing, and suddenly that excitement can turn into a stressful scramble. Well, stress no more, my friends. Today we're talking packing, the ultimate guide to packing for any trip, whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or a month-long journey across continents. We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty, the tips and tricks I've learned over years of constant travel. By the end of this video, you'll be packing like a pro. You'll be a packing ninja. Trust me, mastering this is going to change your travel game forever. All right, first things first, the packing list. Look, I know, it might seem like an unnecessary extra step, but trust me, this is the foundation of stress-free packing. Before you even think about pulling out a suitcase, sit down and write down everything you think you'll need. Think about your trip. What are you planning to do? Hiking through mountains, lounging on beaches, exploring bustling cities? Each of those scenarios requires different gear. Don't forget the small stuff. Chargers, adapters, those little things that can cause major headaches if you forget them. Once you've got it all down, walk away. Go grab a coffee, clear your head, then come back and review your list with fresh eyes. This is your chance to be ruthless. Do you really need that extra pair of shoes? Can you re-wear that shirt? Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. And now that you've got your trusty list, it's time to talk luggage. This is crucial. The type of luggage you choose can make or break your packing game. Are you a carry-on warrior, determined to conquer the world with just a backpack? Or do you prefer the spacious luxury of a suitcase? Maybe you're more of a duffel bag kind of traveler. Think about your mode of transportation. If you're flying budget airlines, you know those baggage fees can be brutal. Consider the terrain you'll be navigating. Dragging a roller bag through cobblestone streets? Maybe not the best idea. Backpacks are your best friend for navigating crowded streets or uneven surfaces. Don't be afraid to get a little creative. I've been known to use packing cubes as makeshift pillows on overnight train rides. The point is, choose luggage that fits your travel style and the demands of your trip. Roll, don't fold. Space-saving magic. All right, let's talk packing techniques. Forget everything you think you know about folding clothes. The key to maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles is rolling, my friends. That's right, we're rolling our clothes like little packing burritos. It's a game changer. Lay out your clothes flat, smooth out any wrinkles, and then roll them up tight. Not only does this save space, but it also helps prevent those dreaded creases from forming. Plus, when you unroll your clothes at your destination, they'll be relatively wrinkle-free. And here's a bonus tip. Use those rolled-up clothes to create a buffer around fragile items in your bag. It's like packing Tetris, but with clothes. Packing cubes. Getting organized. Look, I'm going to be real with you. For years, I resisted packing cubes. I thought they were an unnecessary extra step. But then I tried them, and let me tell you, they changed my packing game forever. They're like little drawers for your luggage, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Packed by category. Shirts in one cube, pants in another, underwear and socks in another. This makes finding what you need a breeze, even if you're digging through your bag in a dimly lit hostel room. Plus, packing cubes help compress your clothes, which means you can fit even more into your bag. And trust me, when you're trying to cram souvenirs into your already overflowing luggage, you'll be grateful for every extra inch of space. The personal item, your travel lifeline. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about the one bag to rule them all, your personal item. This is the bag you keep with you at all times, whether you're navigating airport security or exploring a new city. It's your lifeline, your mobile command center. This bag should contain all your essentials, your passport, wallet, phone, chargers, any medications you take, and anything else you absolutely can't live without. I also like to keep a small toiletry bag in my personal item with essentials like hand sanitizer, lip balm, and a toothbrush. Think about what could go wrong. Lost luggage, delayed flights, unexpected adventures. Your personal item should be equipped to handle any situation. Ready for takeoff? There you have it, folks. Packing doesn't have to be a chore. With a little planning and these simple tips, you'll be packing like a pro in no time. Remember, the key is to pack light, pack smart, and be prepared for anything. Now go out there and explore the world, knowing that you've got this packing thing handled. And hey, while you're out there exploring, don't forget to capture those amazing moments. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video.